Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get a Shopify Collaborator code. First, you'll need a Shopify partner account. This is your gateway to working with client stores. Simply visit the Shopify partner's website and sign up or log in to your existing account. This dashboard is where you will manage all your client relationships and access their stores securely without counting towards their staff limits. For store owners, an important security step is generating a Collaborator request code. From your Shopify admin, go to Settings, then Users and Permissions. In the Collaborators section, you can choose to require a 4-digit code for access requests. Click Generate New Code to create this unique identifier. Share this code with your trusted collaborator so they can include it in their access request. As a partner, once you have the store's URL and the optional 4-digit code, you can request access. In your partner dashboard, click Stores, then Add Store, and select Request Access to Store. Input the store's URL and the provided code. Next, choose the precise permissions you require for your work, ensuring you only request what is necessary. Finally, send your request to the store owner. Store owners will receive a notification and an email when a collaborator requests access. Head to Settings, Users and Permissions, and then Collaborators in your admin. Here, you can review the request, adjust the permissions to grant only what is necessary, and then approve it. Collaborator accounts offer secure, flexible access, allowing external partners to work efficiently without impacting your staff limits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.